What's going on, everyone? We're here at TJ Chapman Auto. Today we have this 2020 Lincoln Nautilus Black Label Edition. Now this car has an MSRP of over $63,000, and this one comes with our sequential LED headlights, sequential LED taillights, the upgraded wheels, upgraded alloy wheels, as we can take a look here. Let's take a look at our taillight as well. So what you don't know is that these taillights, actually upon you locking the car, they will slowly fade away rather than just turn off on their own. This one comes with a 2.7 liter turbo all-wheel drive motor as well. Reverse camera, 360 perimeter camera as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at our spare tire here. And lifting this up, we have our spare here. We have power fold on the rear seats, 12-volt lighter adapter in the rear, our close button. And as you can tell, this car resembles a lot of Ford features when it comes to buttons, appearance and interior and everything else. It is because the Lincoln is Ford's luxury brand. Let's go ahead and unlock it for you guys. And as we can see, the mirrors also have LED lights on them, and upon you starting the car, they will unfold. Let's go ahead and get inside it. Doing so here, we can see we have this Revo Ultima badging because this car has a Revo Ultima sound system, which is known to be one of the main competitors to brands like Bose and Harman Kardon. Now, as you can see, we close the door and the mirrors power folded right out. Taking a look at our dash here, we have low mileage, only 38,000 miles. Let's go ahead and shut that off. Only 38,000 miles on this Lincoln. It's a Carfax one owner vehicle, but it does hold a branded title. As do most of our vehicles, we specialize in having a team of builders that will bring these cars back to life and make sure that there's nothing wrong mechanically with the vehicles, and that they run, drive, idle, and everything else perfectly, and that they are cosmetically perfect as well, as if they just came out the factory. So, taking a look at our steering wheel here, taking a look at our steering wheel here, almost slurred my words there. You'll find a lot of steering assists, such as lane proximity warning, lane departure warning, forward collision warning. You will find adaptive cruise control with self-steering to keep you in lane. Over here, you'll find your new updated display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wired, not wireless. And as you can see, you plug it into right here. But there's also a secondary USB port that you have access to here on the center console, and you are able to lift this up and you will have some extra storage. Now, 2 cup holders here in the center. You have your AC cooled seats, your heated steering wheel. You also have massaging seats here. So let's go ahead and press this little wheel on the very bottom, and once we press it, we'll be greeted with a screen that will show us the driver adjustment, massaging seats, and you can then change it how you want the massaging seats to work. Is it on the higher part of the lumbar? Is it on the lower part of the lumbar? Where would you like it to go? Would you want to make it tighter on your shoulder grip or on your lower back grip? And you're able to adjust all of these. Now we have our new gear selector as well, where you press the brake and then you just push one of these buttons. As you can see, we have our 360 camera top view and rear view here. Press it for neutral, press it for drive, and press it for sport mode. This car also has paddle shifters, so once you're in sport mode, if you're feeling a little too quick, you're able to use these 2 paddle shifters to downshift or upshift. Comes with built-in Wi-Fi as well. If we go to vehicle, we'll find some other settings such as camera, the modem serial number, the door keypad code if you forget it and you're wanting to use it to unlock it. Maybe it's cold out in the winter and you can't use your key or the door handle, you're able to use the door keypad. Audio settings here. Let's go ahead and shut this off so we don't get copyrighted. Let's go ahead and go to navigation. You have your upgraded Ford navigation as well, 2020 update, and it works pretty good. You have live traffic data as well, 3D and 2D view. Now taking a look at our seats, you'll find this beautiful Lincoln stitching here and this really beautiful design here on the cushion and the seat itself. Now we have our rear seats. Let's go ahead and take a look at our rear, take a look at what we're given in the rear. But prior to doing so, let's take a look at our key fob here. And as you can see, your very similar Ford looking key fob, but with the Lincoln badging instead. Lock, unlock, remote start, remote trunk open and close, and alarm. go ahead and leave our key inserted here and head on to our rear. So on the rear here, you'll find your speakers. Once again, Rebel Ultima. Speaker here on the bottom. Really beautiful black with almost like a dark brown, light orange stitching here. Here you'll find your heated rear seats, AC power adapter, 12-volt lighter adapter, and let's take a look at our cabin. And this cabin view is absolutely magnificent. Super modern. We have some LED lights for ambience as well. Work fantastically. You're able to change the coloring these from blue to purple, red, orange. As you can see here, let's see if it's visible. Once the door is closed, it is going to shine blue. Once you open the door, it shines red to alert you that the door is open. And if you're ever confused about whose door is open when you're driving, your door panel is probably going to be red to show you that your door is the one that's open. But there you have it, guys. This is our 2020 Lincoln Nautilus Black Label. Black Label edition comes with these better wheels, different compression motor, more comfort settings, massaging seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and loads of other features that we just went over. Don't forget about your power dual panoramic moonroof as well. But that's basically it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. But be sure to check out the rest of our inventory at tjchapanauto.com.